Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Mr. Hacks. In the last video, we discussed about offshore accident lawyer in the United States. And in this video, we will discuss about the best motorcycle lawyer in the United States.
Who have experience
Here are
with
the main topics: online direction and reviews. How to check best motorcycle lawyer. This is online direction and reviews. Utilize online lawyer directory and review platforms to research.
Utilize online lawyer
research
and review platforms to research.
Compare lawyers by
online lawyer direction,
seeing their reviews on their sites, on their apps, website like Avo, Martinade, Avo, Martinade,
review platforms,
Hubble, and most important, Google
to research
review.
and compare lawyers.
And this is here by this comparing you can find a best lawyer. And next is State Bar Association.
Website like Avo,
State Bar
website
Association. Check with the State Bar Association for more info on
Avo,
licensed attorney. Very important in your area. They can include details about any disciplinary action against
Google reviews can provide
against the lawyer. Initial consultation. And third one is initial
State Bar Association.
Consultation.
First one is State Bar Association.
Schedule initiation consultation with a potential lawyer to discuss your case. This allows you to assess their responsive and knowledge and how comfortable you working with them. The most important, responsive
this can include detail
knowledge,
about my disciplinary
very much
action
important,
taken against the lawyer. Check with the state,
and comfort. Comfort is always first. Before hiring them, ask some questions,
the other one is initial
which is the fourth step to find best lawyer. Ask questions. During the consultation, ask about their experience
initial consultation.
Motorcycle,
initial consultation with potential lawyer with
motorcycle accident cases. How much cases he read about and how much experience he has before. Their approach to handling such cases. Handling such cases and their expectations of case.
This allows you to access their representatives' knowledge and how comfortable.
This is the most four important steps to find best motorcycle lawyer in the United States. By doing such points, you can find a best lawyer
accident cases,
In the
their
next
approach
video,
to
we will
handling
discuss more
such
about
cases, and
this
your
information.
expectation for
Until
your case.
see you, have a good day. Thank you.